channel, and a friend of mine has got a 3D printer, and he was saying that he was making some cable management for Jasper stands, and I was like, I've got Jasper stands, I've got cables, and in actual fact my cabling used to be really nice, but I had to take the keyboard rig down and put it back up. I've also got some flying cables that need to be addressed. So when I saw his Bundaroo on eBay, I thought I'll buy some. So if we check out Bobule's eBay page, we can see this is what I bought, although I had the updated headphone holder. You can buy just some clips or the mini jack holders. Some Behringer desk stand spaces for 2-tier stands, vape cart stand. Why are you selling your RME Arc? That's crazy. But look at these. Wow, now that looks amazing. Okay, it might be Behringer, but if you can't make music with that, then I don't know what you can. Oh, that's a very clever design. Wow. And cable management built in. So if you're looking for anything made in the UK, so definitely a seller to keep an eye out. I'm sure he'll be coming up with many more ideas in the future. So here are the cable management clips that go on the Jasper stands, and we also have some mini jack cable management and headphones. So I want to put the mini jacks on the, this is my side Atmos stand, and that's 35.5, and the Jasper stand is 37. So I might put some tape around that just to bring it up to more the Jasper size. There we go. That's much better. Don't see any cables hardly. And I've got my auxiliary ones there, ready for when they're needed. Bad going. I still have a few left, so I think I might need another one of those. Now that is a lot of jacks. That's actually really cool. Not that I use headphones much, but at least now they have somewhere to live. So look at that. Almost no cables to be seen at all. What a beautiful thing. And when it comes to my mini jacks, they're all now here next to the modular. Nice one, Bobule. Catch you next time.